Okay, guys, that's how it goes. Consider. Okay. But uh, we're going to see me at the outside world. But please now, please give me famous. I need that money. You know, look at here. Yeah. Yeah. So it's gonna be like a 60-second video. Yes. And 16. Tomorrow. Bye.